guys. Kayo kabla ang video.
Relax. Okay, back. Double bicep.
It's number 8 to number 10.
Abs. Nice.
Relax.
Sorry guys, kaya ka-black ang akong video. Salamat to ganun sa nag-sensors. Thank you guys. Ganit ka ako liso, ganit.
Aside si Kalio ko, abinti sa ano?
Shout out sa ating mga viewers na sinsyagi da kay ka-black akong video tungkol sa music and medyo mahina ang signal.
Alright, that's our mandatory post. Alright guys, so may nabilihan na kung yung top nyo. Guys, meron na?
Yes. Yes.
Well, meron na?
Yes.
O sino pinakanamit joke? Just kidding. Alright. Anyway guys, since ang aton judges tabulate pa sa scores for their top 10. So we will actually give something for our audience, right?
Oy.
So remember I mentioned the raffle. Sulat nyo itong ngalan nyo ito kaginang iputang sa aton nga mahiwagang baul pinato. Ang baul ka din. Alright. So, sa mga mabunutan, you will receive Gym House merch. Remember, I mentioned we have only 18 guys, so patsam-patsamba na lang ni. Alright, so ready na? Ang mga wala nakabating audience pa si Chanay ta, going once, going twice ha, kung wala yapon, Jesus Christ, no? Alright, so, pakabot sa baon kay para random. Kabalongan na, practice sa mga Alright, first, lucky winner who will be receiving Gym House merch. Wala pinito. Ngalan lang. Ha? Ito nga, ako talaga ni Bayo. Dapat first name, last name mo. Ito nga. Anging. Joke. Paano i-pronounce nga? Sorry. Is it Gidjon or Gidjon? Gidjon. O si Gidjon? O hands up na kabatay Gidjon? Yeah.
We have our first winner.
Alright. Oh, this is Sir Gidjon. Alright, so you'll be receiving a cap. Alright, a t-shirt coming from Gym House. Oh, picture na na para harap ako sa picture.
Melot, 1, 2, 3.
Alright. Okay, thank you. Congratulations. Oh, may pa. Okay. Ina, pasensya na lang, di po ko mo ang kuot. Alright, next winner. Okay. B, sa letras ang B, R, Y, L, Braille. Alright. Wala pinito po sa first name. Hindi naman mutang nila. Pinila, guro. Ano? Namunta ako na Braille. Si Braille na. Anyway guys, congratulations Braille. You will be receiving Gym House t-shirt. Alright, picture na Braille. Alright.
1, 2, 3.
Alright, congratulations. And last, we'll be receiving the Gym House Red Aloysa. Oh my lubid. Alright, the Gym Mouse cap, baseball cap.
Wala da?
Ulat. Hambal mo lipay ka sa pandesal lang, Alright. Alright, so next winner sa letras ng J, U, D, E. Si Jod din, si Jod. Mapusing ka na pigilas. Mapusing ka na. Anyway, congratulations, Jod. You'll be receiving the Gym Mouse. Yeah. Alright. Alright, congratulations. Alright, so now it's time for us to announce the top 10. Okay? In no particular order. Okay? No particular order.
Thank you.
Okay, I'll just announce it from the lowest to the highest number. Alright? So, ang contestants nga malawagan, please come inside. Okay? Dahil nga come inside, sulod ha? Again. Ay, nyo, pala lang tao, ikaw mo PH. Alright. So, top 10. Ready na?
Yes.
Okay. Top 10. Contestant number 7. Contestant number 7. Oh, okay, good. Next, contestant number 1.
Uy!
Ginarandom ko na teacher. Next, contestant number 12.
This is our top 10 na. Top 10 na kita.
Next, contestant number 9.
Number two. Para kay Mark Moritoria. Shout out.
Nice one.
Our top 10.
Next, contestant number
Compress, guys. Compress.
5.
Contestant number 5.
Next, contestant number 10.
Yan. Contestant number 10.
Next, contestant number 2.
Alright. Kasi number 2, Mark Moritoria. Alright. Gano'n, may ka-comment. Number 2,
Next, contestant number 8.
Number 8. Go Bray, number 9.
Last two na ta, last two. Tama, last two. Hindi ko bilong mag-adap.
From Anchi.
Next, contestant number 14.
Team Sire.
And last but definitely not the least, contestant number 11.
And then number 11.
Congratulations to our top 10.
7, 1, 12, 9, 5, 10, 2, 8, 14, and 11. Our top 10.
Alright guys, so I'll be leaving the microphone to the judges.
Wait lang, wait.
Number 2, number 5, 7, and
Go, number 7.
number 8.
Alright. For the judges, Second look, second
Steady.
look.
Spread out na tayo, spread out. Tapos tama yun. Atras. Sipro. Sipro pa na na. Relax na sa likod ah. Number 8. Okay. Relax. Ready? Okay. Front double bicep. Pose. Hold. Flex. Okay, relax. Front lat spread pose. Ready? Flex.
Mark. Nice, Mark.
Relax.
Uy!
Side chest pose. Ready? Flex.
Nice to Mark. Yan. Hold.
Shout out kay Pikachu, nag-additional
Okay, relax.
food and refreshment hub, some foods for contestant
Back
judge.
double bicep pose.
Thank you, Gid
Back double
Vicky,
bicep.
sa food and
Ready?
refreshment. Thank you so much.
Flex.
Nice to Mark. Yan. Tuga.
Sir Noel, thank you, Gid.
Relax. Back lat spread pose. Flex.
Nice. Tuga.
Face front. Side tricep pose. Ready? Flex.
Nice to Mark. Nice.
Okay, relax. Abs and tight pose. Ready?
So yun siya sa isang,
Flex.
hindi siya masyado katao, no?
Nice, Tuga. Nice to Mark.
Okay, relax.
Thank you so much,
Okay.
Piggy, sa
Give
food
me your
and
most
refreshment
muscular
hub,
pose.
sa
Ready?
Apple food. Thank you.
Flex.
Nice to Mark.
Oh.
Yan. Enough to Mark. Tuga.
Okay, relax.
Grabe.
Okay guys, thank you. Okay, next 5, 12, 9, 10, 14, and 11.
Second 5 na. Or number 12. Number 9, 10, 11, 12, and 14.
Number 12.
12, 10. Backwards. Backwards.
Okay. Okay, ready? Relax.
Salamat.
Front double bicep pose. Flex. Okay, relax. Front not spread pose. Ready?
Tuga. Next door.
Relax. Side chest.
Nice.
Okay, relax. Turn back. Okay,
9,
back.
10,
Double bicep
11,
pose.
12, and 14.
Ready? Flex.
Nice one.
Grabe
Okay,
na
relax.
likod.
That's spread pose.
Nice one.
Okay, relax. Face front. Ready? Side tricep pose. Okay, relax.
Kaya ako sa suga.
Abs and tight pose. Ready?
Would like ka suga.
Nice one.
Uy.
Nice one.
Okay, relax. Okay, ready? Most muscular pose.
Nice. Bante.
Grabe.
Thank you guys. Magaling ka na.
Congratulations sa ating mga contestants. Good job.
All right, guys. Those are top 10. Those are our top 10. All right. So while our judges are tabulating the scores for the
Thank you
next
so
round,
much. Biggest food and
of course,
refreshment hub.
we will give some merch naman, di ba? All right. So time for us to get some people who will get some merchandise for tonight. All right, Ina. All ears na, all ears.
Sabi ka tanay. Parang
All ears.
makahangin.
Wala ang talunggan, wala ang t-shirt.
Thank you. Thank you, good.
All right. So samtang judge na kita pilit na ma-announce nila. Nah, wala ba rin nas name man?
Ako na. Ako na.
Ay talaga, ikaw na ispirituhon mo ha? Do Grace man ngalan mo?
Saint.
Anyway guys, so listen everybody. The next time we'll be receiving some Gym House merch. Oh, very common nga name ni mo. Very common name. Di ba? Si Wala Liga Balo? Alright, so the next winner is R-I-C-H-A-R-D. Richard. Magtuwa ni Richard, rasa nyo sa ako na.
Rasa.
Richard. Going once, going twice, yeah. Richard, congratulations, you'll be receiving a Gym House merch, a shirt done from us. All right. All right, congratulations. Next. Apat na. Look, ito. Ituloy. Sige. Alright. Okay, next winner. Next winner to receive the next will be receiving another Gym House t-shirt is R-E-Y-L-A-N-D. Sino si Raylan? Ano ba? How do you pronounce your name? Raylan? Raylan, going once. Sabi po kasi on human. Ay, congratulations. Wala yung dapat on dito. Wala dapat dito. Anyway, congratulations. Gabay na sino, pre. Ladies and gentlemen, Raylan, congratulations. Picture. Alright, let's get it on. Alright, and last, we'll be receiving another Gym House yellow cap. May dress, hindi ka naman, black ba di mo? Yellow, may red pa gina. May pink pa gina, pre. May pink pa gina.
Dua, kuna mo.
Pink. Excited sa pink. Abi mo, Pink Ranger ka?
Yellow mo, yellow.
We'll be receiving the yellow Gym House cap. Congratulations to... congratulations kay Ulan.
Huh?
R-H-E-I-A-N-N. Rain.
Rain.
Rain. Sino si Rain? Sino sila niya? Dali nila niya. Rain. Going once. Going twice. 5, 4, 3. Si Rain din si Rain. O ay, 3, 2, 1. Oh, madunong taliwan. One more time, baby.
Wala si Rain.
Sayang sa ay good na ko. O tsamba, nagpasalamat sa nakadaog ka na po. Nalulabunutan ka na. Kilometers. Alright, so the one that will be receiving the gym house cap. Ari kumplito nga lan. Ari Aljon Pacardo.
Nice one.
Aljon Pacardo.
Arasa?
Rasa. Anyway, congratulations. You'll be receiving gym house cap, alright. Ito. Gusto nga. Kiss, joke.
1, 2. From Raymond Halike.
Congratulations.
Yes.
And that is for our Josh. And now,
Wow.
this is our top 8, ladies and gentlemen. The first, Ato Puka I 2.0 bodybuilding competition. Just to let you know, guys, the second runner-up will be receiving 2,000 pesos. The first runner-up will be receiving 3,000 pesos. And the champion will be receiving 5,000 tumataging-ting. Hindi nyo lang yan abon yung event, alright? So here are your top 8. Ready na?
Yes.
Ready na?
Yes.
Alright. So, again, no particular order. It's not actually based on the scores. So here are your top 8. Contestant number 1.
Wow. Congratulations, number 1 for our top 8.
Congratulations, contestant number 7.
And then number 7.
Next, congratulations, contestant number 8.
And then number 8. 1, 7, 8.
Alphabet nyo? Contestant number 8. Go. Congratulations, contestant number 9.
1, 7, 8, 9.
Contestant number 9. Congratulations, contestant number 10.
Then number 10. 1, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Congratulations, contestant number 11. Contestant number 11. All right. Congratulations, contestant number 2.
2.
Contestant number 2. Our friend. And last but not the least, contestant number 14.
And number 14.
And guys, that is your top 8.
Our top 8 is 1, 7, 8, 9,
I'll be leaving
10,
to the judges.
11, 2, and 14.
Okay, let's step forward. Number 9.
Nice one.
Number 1.
Nice one.
Number 2.
Nice.
Number
14.
Nice one.
Sa likod yung panayos. Relax sa likod na. Relax sa likod. Number 14 ito daw.
Man.
Sana po para makita.
Okay, ready? Okay, front double bicep pose. Next.
Nice one. Nice one.
Front lat spread pose. Ready? Next. Relax. Side chest. Ready?
Close side.
Flex.
Gabi, yung kodi mo.
Nice one.
Relax. Turn back. Relax. Relax. Okay, ready? Back to romancing pose. Flex.
Nice, mate.
Relax. Relax, relax. Okay, back lat spread pose. Ready?
Nice one. Nice one.
Okay, relax. Face front. Side tricep pose. Ready? Flex. Relax. Abs and tight pose. Ready?
Nice to Mark.
Flex.
Nice.
Relax. Okay, ready? Most muscular pose. Flex. Relax. Relax. Okay, thank you guys. Next time.
Close on.
Number 7. Number 7, number 8, switch naman agad. Belo. Number 8 by long naman number 11. Switch naman na. Dala. Di. 11 sigat. Okay, ready? Spread out. Okay, relax. Okay, front double bicep pose. Ready? Flex. Relax. Front lat spread pose. Let's. Relax. Relax. Side chest. Ready. Relax. Third back. Relax.
Good job, guys. Good job.
Ready? Back double bicep pose. Flex. Relax. Lat spread. Ready?
Nice job.
Relax. Face front. Side tricep pose. Ready? Flex. Relax. Abdominal and tight pose. Ready? Flex. Okay, relax.
Go, Mark.
You guys, do your best. Most muscular pose. Ready? Flex. Okay guys, thank you. Relax.
Oh, Mark from Mark Maritoria.
Okay, step forward.
Uy. It's very hot in here.
Okay, lo. Tension na liyo ko paring batat lo mga bataw. Kasi nabadri. Tension na liyo Ben. Camilo.
Sino to siya? Congratulations to our top 8.
Thank you very much, our judges. And that's it for our top 8. Again, this event won't be happening with our sponsors. Major ones, we have Piggy's Food and Restaurant Hub, also Noel. And guys, since you got updated by the judge, we will draw some more winners for our logo. Huh? The next winner will actually... Red towel is...
Sorry, gumagula ang signal, guys.
Ay naman sila. First name naman. Common nga Pinoy name. Ninyo. Ninyo. Sino si Ninyo? Ninyo. Ano last name mo? Marinas, Cavite. Anyway, congratulations. This is your white choice towel. Okay, next. Again, sa mga mahilig mag-gymda, may yung tumbler na mo, kaya from Wise Choice. Alright, the second winner, we're receiving some freebies, is... Sorry, ma-mispronounce mo last name si Dan Bausin.
Bausin?
Sorry, ako na ganyan kuno na ako. Kasi ma-mispronounce ko pangalan mo. Dan Bausin.
Arsha. Ara siya sa...
Sir. Congratulations, you'll be receiving a tumbler come from White Choice. It's just one. Picture. Back. Thank you. Congratulations, man. And last.
Oh, Alver Benauro Despire.
Okay. The one that will be receiving the Fitman Gold T-shirt.
Manatad Layos. Shoutout na gali sa Zilay Fitness Gym. Sino tong nagpa-shoutout sa kung ganit na kagab.
Alright, kahit na paano, unique ang main. Congratulations to D-R-E-Y. Dre, sino si Dre? Dre, going once. Dre, going twice. Dre. Wale. Si Dre. Ay, kanugo sa Fitman Gold nga t-shirt. Congratulations, my friend. You'll be receiving the Fitman Gold black t-shirt. Oh, picture. Anyway, guys, that is all for draws. And we have our top 6, ladies and gentlemen.
Top 6.
But before we mention that, we would like to actually acknowledge as well. Like kami sa Facebook. All you need to do is just go to Pitikachu.
Yay!
Like, subscribe. Notification, live kami na sa buong Pugaan 2.0. Si Pitikachu. Alin si Pitikachu sa buong. Galing niya si Grace.
Saint.
So, live sa Facebook, all you need to do is just type in on Facebook, Pitikachu. Pitikachu, alright? We're live. So, here are your top 6. Are you ready, everybody? Yes! Oh, contestants, are you ready? Oh, hindi ko bukas ang color dito. Anyway, guys, here are our top 6. First one, congratulations, contestant number 1.
Go nung Alvin from Pauline Coleta. This here. Alright, top 6.
Congratulations,
number 1.
Contestant number 9.
Nice one!
Top 6 na tayo.
Congratulations, contestant number 2.
Nice!
Number 2.
1, 9, 2.
Congratulations, contestant number 7.
Number 7.
Congratulations, contestant number 8. Last, congratulations, contestant number 14.
Alright, that makes our top 6.
Everybody, that is your top 6.
1, 9, 2, 7, 8, and number 14.
Right, I'll leave it to the judges.
Okay, makuha ko top 3 ha. Ready lang, ready. Okay, step forward number 9.
Nice one!
Number 14.
1. Number 9, 14.
Number 1.
And number 1. First look sa atong top 6. Alright.
Okay, relax ha, relax. Okay, ready? Front double bicep pose. Ready? Flex.
Nice one!
Relax.
Shout outs kay Gratian Faramir.
Front lat spread pose. Ready?
Nice, mate! Nice! More backward!
Relax. Relax. Side chest pose. Ready? Flex.
Nice, Mitch. Nice one. Squad. Bam.
Okay, relax. Turn back.
Alright, pose.
Relax. Okay, back. Double bicep pose. Ready?
Nice. Sams.
Ay,
Relax.
grabe.
Lat spread. Ready? Flex.
Sams. Nice one.
Relax. Relax. Again, back. Double bicep pose. Ready?
Pantimig. Nice one. Sams.
Okay, relax. Face front. Relax. Abs and tight pose. Ready? Flex.
Nice. What? Vacuum. Nice one.
Relax. Okay, most muscular pose. Okay, ready?
What?
Flex.
Nice.
Relax.
Oh, not from us, Marvin Desvalier.
Okay, thank you guys. Next time.
Congratulations.
Step forward, number 8, number 2, number 7.
Alright, second batch of our top 6.
Number 2, number 7, switch time, switch. Okay, ready guys?
7, 2, and 8.
Okay, relax.
Ay, kasabot
Okay.
ka suga.
Front double bicep pose. Flex.
Nice play.
Relax. Lat spread. Flex. Relax. Side chest pose.
Perfect and 14. Moon. Correct. Ay, 2 and 14. O kaya, wala isang suga ba? Budlay sa suga.
Okay, ready? Side tricep. Ready? Flex. Relax.
Ay, di po ka nga suga pa.
Abdominal pose.
Ay, naikasuga ba? Ay, naikasuga.
Relax. Most muscular pose. Ready? Flex. Relax.
Later! I-test na later. Ay, meron. Hindi ka Manila. Bato na niya. Hindi na niya pang-deserve. Bato na niya. Guys, may double watch. Pagod liwat. Pa, ano lang sa hangin. Thank you.
Alright guys, that is your top 6. Anyways, this event won't be happening without our sponsors. We have our major sponsors. We got Pika's Food and Restaurant Hub. Also, Mr. Noel Loreno. Also from minor sponsors, we have Wise Choice, Fitman Code. Also, Ramil Cabahog, Noel Brilon, and Sir Juan Paulo Mosquera. Alright, so now our judges are still tabulating.
Yawan pili ba? Ganig yung sa suga.
Alright. We have our numbers already, by the way, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, so let's go for our top 4, ladies and gentlemen.
Right,
top 4. Ano ba bet nyo? Ano ba bet nyo? Wala na.
Sila ka lang!
O sa guayang bet nyo, Rapa?
Sila.
Ano, may istorya tayo. Alright, so here is your here are your top 4 in no particular order. Top 4, congratulations, contestant number 9.
Top 4 na kita, number 9.
Congratulations, contestant number 1.
Number 1! Top 4 na! Top 4 na!
Congratulations, contestant number 14.
Number 14!
Last but not the least, congratulations, contestant number 2.
That's number 2!
That is your top 4, ladies and
Our
gentlemen.
top 4!
Ano pa bet nyo? Ano ba? Ayun ka. Okay, so I'll leave the rest of the judges.
Tabunin yung suga. Tabunin yung suga, please.
Okay. Pasalog board na rin. Do your best ka na.
Naway na. Ay! Mahay sila ko na sa live.
Number 1 ay number 14 sa kilid.
Alright. 2, 1, 9, 14, and number 2 is our top 4.
Step forward. Number 9
Nice one.
and number 1.
Nice.
Uy! Yan ang right leg.
Ready?
Hey.
Tipon kinanginan. Kasi una ka ng angin na tipon namon. Pagtiga niya ang angin sa kompresyon tala namon sa una. Para hindi na mawala ang angin. Okay, parar. Okay, ready? Front to progressive pose.
Nice one.
Next.
Watch. Nice one. Watch one.
Relax.
Shout out
Side
kay
chest pose.
Jasmine Alteria. I love you na Balen.
Nice one.
I love you ko na from Brian.
Relax. Turn back. Relax. Back to progressive pose.
Nice.
Ready?
Hugs.
Flex.
Nice. Nice one. Nice. Thumbs.
Relax.
Shout out kay Buddy Despire.
Last break pose. Ready?
Marchand. Pamasal din.
Flex.
Doming.
Sorry, ayaw. Hindi kami.
Relax. Face front. Ready? Front lat spread pose. Flex.
One spike. Nice one. Next one. Nice one.
Relax. Again, front lat spread pose. Ready? Flex.
Nice. Four.
Relax. Side tricep pose. Ready? Flex.
Nice. Mix.
Okay, relax. Okay, thank you.
Sabat ka sa vlog.
Next natin. Number 2.
Ginama kayo na. Edit na lang.
Number 4. Number 1.
Nandira ka sa suga. Nandira ka sa suga.
Ready?
Salamat.
Okay, front double bicep pose. Flex.
Go. More. Go. Nice. Go.
Relax. Last spread pose. Ready? Relax. Flex. Okay, relax. Turn back. Okay, relax. Okay, back to full bicep. Flex.
Nice, guys. Go to tomorrow. Go. Nice. Go. Yeah. Nice. Nice. Go ito, guys. Nice.
Relax.
Nice.
Again, back to full bicep pose. Okay. Okay, relax. Ready?
Nice. Go to tomorrow. Nice. Go. Go.
Okay, relax. That's spread pose. Okay, flex. Relax. Okay, face front. Side tricep. Ready. Flex.
Nice. Go to tomorrow. Go. Nice. Go.
Okay, relax. Outside side pose. Ready.
I-focus pala.
Go. Nice. Go.
Okay, go.
Go.
Okay, relax. Relax. Okay, most muscular pose. Ready?
Go. Nice.
Again, most muscular pose.
Puga! Nice! Yan! Nice! Puga! Oh.
Okay, relax. Okay, thank you.
Ay, nako. Siya sila.
Anyway, guys, that's your top 4, ladies and gentlemen.
Our
So while our judges are tabulating the scores, it's time to look go. So we will actually draw some winners. We have merch coming from Fitman Gold and as well as Gym House.
Bakit yun na pagsulasan?
Yaw, ako pili.
Next draw winner will be receiving the white
1,100
Fitman Gold shirt. Pero hindi ka gamay sa ngalan, yung hindi mabasahan.
Saint Mary.
The winner for the Fitman Gold shirt is
Justin. Justin.
Justin. Congratulations, guys. We'll have a picture.
Wait lang.
All right, next draw. Okay, the next draw will be receiving the Fitman white.
Huli ka na.
Lagi gusto yan. Hindi mo mag-hanag sa ako. Anyway guys, the one that will be receiving the Fitman white shirt. Grabe, kaya social gini sa mo. Naging mo tayo gini sa punta S. P-A-O-L-O, Paolo S.
Paulo.
Grabe, mga audio, may nagkakatawa ko dito. Congratulations, Paolo S.S. You'll be receiving the Fitman white t-shirts. Tao ba? Tuwagin sila ba? Congratulations. And the last, the one that will be receiving the Gym House cap. Alright. Ang ngalan ng tawgon ko, duwa ang ngalan. Ang isa C, ang isa J.
CJ.
CJ. Oh. Carl James. Sino si Carl James? Carl James going once. Carl James going twice. Carl James, wala kang kabate? Ate, wala eh. Baway ka. Sayang. Sige. Carl James, ara ka pa? I can't feel your presence. Wala. Gitsa. Kaluoy man. But, we have another one here. Sa letras ng R. Rafael. Sino si Rafael?
Bingo.
First name naman. Membro ni the Turtles, did it pray? Rafael. Congratulations, you'll be receiving the Gym House cap. Alright. Anyway guys, that is actually for our draw. And judges, we have our top 3, ladies and gentlemen.
Kuya, one pangita.
Okay. Sorry.
Oh.
Okay, are you ready? Everybody, are you ready?
Yes!
Here are your top 3. Oh, natawabi ko, ano pang bet nyo?
Harap pa.
So far, ito bet ko. I'm just kidding. Anyway, top 3, ladies and gentlemen, congratulations! Contestant.
Number 13.
Contestant number 2.
Number 2!
Congratulations!
Number 1.
Contestant number 9.
Number 9.
Last but definitely not the least, contestant number 1. Very nice, I said. 1.
And our top 3! 2, 9, and 1.
Ilani tanan, ang may chance na magadaog sa 2,000 pesos, 3,000 pesos, and 5,000 pesos. So far, ano pa bet nyo? Ano ba? Ano ba? Okay. So, I'll leave everything to the judges.
Why not? Alam ko sa tupad ko na. Ano? Ay, namin
Okay, top 3. Do your best again ya. Relax, relax. Ready? Ready? Front double bicep pulls.
Bakit kaya?
Ready, Flex?
Nice, Gar. Parit nyo. Nice one. Watch. Go. Watch.
Relax.
Our top 3.
Relax, friend. Flex.
Harap rin. Nice page. Nice one. Nice page. Watch.
Relax. Side chest.
Number 9. May fun si number 9 sa ating live.
Nice page. Nice page. Mix.
Relax. Okay, pa-switch ko ah. Switch number 1 and 9. Switch. Okay, ready? Turn back.
Indugi page ah.
Okay, back, double bicep. Flex.
Comes. Nice. Ang kinaibahan. Go. Comes.
Okay, relax.
Uy, Diyos ko. Iyawan ko sa...
Relax, friend. Flex.
Nice one. Nice. Nice.
Relax.
Black Bro from Joseph Maritor.
Face front.
Gigi. Sit.
Okay, front double bicep.
Top 3 na
Okay, ready?
tayo.
Okay, flex.
Nice, Ugo. Nice. Nice one.
Uy, ano to?
Relax.
Number 1, Banat Gar. From Remark.
Relax lang, relax. Okay, side, tricep, pose. Okay, flex.
Ugo. Rick. Ugo. Mark.
Okay, relax. Abdominal and tight. Okay, flex.
Bunal, sakit number 9.
Relax. Okay, 2 kagwan, switch.
Right, switch naman.
Okay, ready? Okay, abs and tight pose. Ready? Okay, flex.
Mark. Ugo. What? Nice. Ugo. Right. Ugo. Nice. What? Mark.
Okay, relax.
Nice.
Okay, most muscular pose. Ready? Okay, flex. Okay, relax.
Uy!
Relax na, relax. Okay, again. Front double bicep. Okay, ready? Flex.
Ito ba? Ito sa ba? Iyan, 1.
Nice. Ugo.
Okay, hold, hold.
Hold! Lang.
Okay, relax.
Ito pati ako ginakapoy. Ito pati ako takapoy na ko.
Okay, thank you.
Alright. Congratulations to our top 3! Ay.
That is our top 3, ladies and gentlemen. Again, we would like to thank you for our sponsors, especially sa mga sponsors naman nga wala na mention here. We'd like to actually give you thanks, as well as our major sponsors like PD's Food and Restaurant Hub. Also, we'd like to thank you, Noel Loreto, as well. For our minor sponsors, we have Wise Choice. Also, thank you very much, Fitman Code, for the sponsor as well, for being here, as well as Ramil Cabao, Noel Pelon, Juan Paulo Mosquera. All right, guys. Well, since our judges are still tabulating the scores,
Solid
we will
na,
draw
number
some
9
more
from Edward.
winners
Lord.
para sa atong Bugay bodybuilding competition. So here are your
Congratulations
winners for
to
some
Jim House
freebies.
for this event. Para sa atong bodybuilding competition.
So they will be receiving some Fitman Code merchandise, as well as Gym House merchandise.
Shout out
Alright,
Marisol. Nabustog gamanda.
The one that will be receiving the Fitman black shirt first is hi, asa, do ako, mo nga nagsisimula sa letter C. Aragoy. A. R.
Carlo.
L. Wala family name. O.
Carlo.
Carlo. O, Carlo ba ita? Carlo, wala
Guys,
Carlo.
panyapon ka mo daday.
Alright. Carlo, congratulations. You'll be receiving the Fitman black shirt.
Alright. 1, 2. Alright.
Alright, congratulations,
Good
man.
ang Kuya Dam.
Alright, so anyway, next,
Busog ko din yan.
we'll be receiving again another Fitman black shirt.
Ay, wala pa gani.
Hindi para anda, basta lalay ka tao.
Go Caz, Alder, Benauro, Despire. Ano ba kambal? Despire, number 9. Sorry.
Excuse me.
Sa ma-mispronounce ko, pasensya. Despire? Ay!
Anyway, the winner for the Fitman black shirt, that is May Grace, I'm not sure, Pere, eh? May Grace Pere.
Sabi ko ako
Am I
na.
right? Sorry, kakamay siyang ano. Girl. Alright, May Grace Pere, congratulations! You'll be receiving a Fitman black shirt.
Congratulations!
Thank you so much. Oh, picture. Kiss, jokes. Congratulations, girl. Hey Grace, gusto mo ko either kalo or nakikita kung lalaki na siya. Sige. Alright, last draw winner. Nasa lahat nga nalita ng ngalan. Ba sila may di multiple nga ngalan. Hindi sino na para puntahan mo. The one that will be receiving the Fitman black shirt is Ludi May. Ludi May. Congratulations, Rev. Alam, lalaki mo na yung Fitman shirt.
Oh my God, po.
May papasama na siguro, so okay na. So, congratulations. Thank you very much, and that is it. So, judges, we have our winners. Oh, by the way, guys, after our bodybuilding competition, may after party later on. So we will play some acoustic music after the party. So if you want to actually have some drinks there, sa likod, you could. Pakalmi. Ano na sila kung gusto nyo mag-shot or gusto nyo mag-kuyang-kuyang with some or ihaw na sa likod, alright?
From Azul.
So, also
Lena Coleta, go number 9.
salamat din sa pagdalo sa Torneo Pugay 2.0 bodybuilding competition, especially sa mga audience. So, I want to allow teacher, caps, and also sa mga merch nila coming from Fitman Co. Thank you very much also from Wise Choice and as well as your mouse. With all of your hard work, my friend, this event won't be happening without you guys. Okay, thank you very much. Alright, so before we announce the winner or the champion, we would like to actually, of course, give our certificates. Our certificates to our 14 contestants. Alright, so 14 contestants, come inside. Come in. Kalaway, isang come inside. Come in, please. All right.
Good luck, mga boss. 1 and 2, solid from Rams Cups.
Fourteen contestant, please. Fourteen contestants, please. In no particular order, ilaw yun ako para ma-receive yung certificate. Certificate for Norman Cashier. Norman Cashier? Right. Certificate for Mark Maritoria. Yeah. Certificate for Jurel Celestial. Certificate for PG Simpiano. Sampiano rather, sorry. Certificate for Abraham Carillo. Certificate for Mark Brian Mailon. Certificate for Jason Divina Gracia. Certificate for Alvira Despaer, right? Mambabot Despaer na rin. Certificate for Ken Lazarito. Yep. Certificate for Glenn Ian Alvarez. Certificate for Christian Paul Baita. Fortunately, Christian didn't count out. A certificate for Joe Marie Lamayo. Certificate for Ruel Estacio. Certificate for John Michael Dohino. Certificate for Mark Steven Moncada. There you go. Alright, so picture na picture. Oh, yes. Pwede ka.
7-7. Ito ang pito. Ang pito sa dalawang sa likod.
Alright, pictures together with the judges, please. Pictures together with the judges. Alright. Now we're going down to our special awards. Okay, mga contestants, go ahead. There are only 2 special awards that we have here. Ang friendly sa ilang mga co-contestants and also pinaka namin according sa audience.
Shout out, Tigis.
Or proud favorite is what we call it.
Cordova Joy. Thank
Alright,
you.
for special awards.
We give to all participants. Congrats to all of you. Thank you, Tink.
For our Mr. Congeniality.
Thank you, Tigis. Para sa food. Ano, miss?
So, Mr. Congeniality, you will receive a certificate. So, congratulations to John Michael Dohino.
Nice!
Mr. Congeniality. Shout out to the
Congratulations, John.
family from Marisol.
And of course, awalang kamatay crowd favorite.
Yes!
Oh, sige. Kung crowd favorite, pag hindi sabi, sino sabi? First name lang, first name. Sino? Congratulations to Roel Estacio! Crowd favorite ka pala. Congratulations, man. Alright, the next set of special awards, hindi siya actually part sa judging tabulation, alright? So, these awards will actually be given according to our owner's choice, alright? So, it's basically from the mandatory post. Kung sino ang pinaka mandatory post according sa owner, okay? So, the certificate for having the best in abdominal and thigh pose. Alright? Congratulations to Mark Brian Bailon. Best in abdominal and thigh pose. Pre, pose natin sa abdominal and thigh pose, pre. Pose din sa abdominal and thigh pose. One time. There you go. Oh, saw now, guys. Saw na.
Shout out Binaldo family.
Alright. Now, for our best in muscularity pose.
Promise Mael Pabale Benauro. Benauro.
For now,
shout out.
best in front lat spread pose. Congratulations to Alvir Dispaer. Guys, post na po guys kung anong best nyo. Si Sir Alvir Dispaer, best in front lat spread pose. O, post ba na yung presa, front lat spread. There you go. Congratulations, Mark, on your music.
Ay, bigaw.
Good job. Alright, congratulations. Next award is best in back lat spread pose. Alright, so ang maganda ma-post nyo isang back lat spread. Congratulations to Mark Maritoria.
Congratulations, Mark!
Pre-post, pre. Alright, congratulations, Mark.
Back.
Next, best in side chest. Side chest pose. Congratulations to Jason Di Vinagracia.
Jason! Side pose!
Pre-pose and pre-pose. Side chest, side chest. Alright, congratulations, man. Next, best in back double biceps pose. Alright, congratulations to Joe Marina Mayo. There you go. Back double biceps. Ditsa. Pose natin, pre, po. There you go, my friend. Congratulations, Jory.
Back double biceps.
Alright. Now, let's go to best in front. Front double biceps pose this time. Alright, may mga bet na. Kabalisin na. Alright, congratulations to Ken Lazareto.
Front double biceps. Up front. Spread.
Alright, congratulations, man. So we have two more left, alright? So here, best inside triceps pose. Congratulations to Jurel Celestial.
Side triceps.
Best inside triceps pose. Alright. Last, this is best in masculinity pose. Alright, congratulations to PG Sampiano.
PJ.
Congrats, man. Congrats, man.
Correct.
Alright guys, it's time for us to do the awardings for our champion. Alright, but first, sa mga hindi malawagan sa top 6, you will be receiving 500 pesos. Alright? So, automatic na siya. So, I'll get the... Alright guys, ready na ba? Yes. So, I'll first announce the second runner-up, okay? Second runner-up will be receiving 2,000 pesos. Alright? 2,000 pesos. Second runner-up is, sino ang second runner-up? Drum roll. Contestant number 2.
Runner-up is
Second runner-up.
number 2.
Congratulations, my friend, for second runner-up. Second runner-up will be receiving 2,000 pesos. Sir Milo, picture ta po. Oh, ay na nga ito naman. Tagat ako at token. Come on, ladies. Alright, congratulations, man.
Idol Mark Maro.
Now,
Maritor.
lawagon ko is ang first runner-up.
Darwin
First runner-up. Alright. First runner-up will be receiving 3,000 pesos, a stash, and a trophy. Alright? So, first runner-up. Okay, so, sino bet nyo sa first runner-up? Sino bet nyo sa first runner-up?
Good.
First runner-up is contestant number
Number 5 wala na.
contestant number 9. First runner-up will be receiving 3,000 pesos, a cash, and a trophy. Power from Jim Allen. And ladies and gentlemen,
Our
for our Buga Eye 2.0 champion,
this year!
contestant number 1. The champion will be receiving 5,000 pesos, a stash, and a trophy from Jim House. Congratulations, man. Also, not to mention that, from all of our top 3, they will be receiving Wise Choice gift packs, okay? Wise Choice gift packs. And also, the judges, you can have your pictures with our champion and our top 3.
Congrats, PJ!
Judges and top 3. Judges and top 3. And after the bodybuilding competition, we will have our after party, guys. Because we will have some fun music. You can actually stay with us. We got some drinks, we got some food going on.
Dali lang, Gid.
Go to there.
Wait lang, wait lang.
And again, we would like to thank you for our sponsors, for our major sponsors.
Congratulations!
Also, we would like to
PJ, congrats!
team, grab a pictures.
Congratulations,
Grab pictures
Albert!
with our,
And others pa
with our
in.
winners, please.
Siyempre,